Okay, so I decided I want to get a phone holder, phone mount for my multi-strata. Went on AliExpress, did a search for a motorcycle phone holder, and this one came up. It seems to be the one I like the best. It's got metal in it. That's a good sign. Got a couple of options for mounting, but what appeals to me is the wireless and USB options for charging. It means that once this is hardwired into the bike, I can plug in other devices directly into this holder and it'll charge them up as well. That's very appealing to me. Says shipping 14 to 25 days down to New Zealand from China. Price just over $20 US. What have I got to lose? Let's get it. It's arrived. Pretty excited to open her up, get her on the bike. Okay, in the box we see we've got the mount with cables, like a fuse, inline fuse, a couple of cable ties. Looks like a mount probably to go on a mirror, and the handlebar mount and the fuse. Well, it's pretty well packaged, no damage. So let's go out and see where we're going to mount it. Okay, for me to get this to fit, I'm just going to put one spacer on, one little sleeve adjustment there. That's probably going to bind up pretty tight. The bars are too big for two and too small for one. Okay, just gonna not nip it up completely. I'm about to move it around. We get the adjustment in the right place. I want the light at the top so I can see it, and the switch to be handy. I'm gonna slacken that off. A bit concerned about the plastic, but it is quite thick plastic, so shouldn't be too bad. And we're charging. All good.